This is the attic of the apartment we are working on with the roofing. And I am going to put a 4-inch hose clamp onto a hose that connects to this pipe that goes through the roof. Okay. And I need a light, so I used this camera and figured I should record it. Gotta be careful. It's very fragile. The walls. Whoa. Yeah. Hold on a minute. Oh. If I could find it. There it is. There's a hose. Okay. There. Now. Oh. Oof. Ow. Okay. Ouch. There we go. Let's see. See if I could do this. Forgot a flathead screwdriver. Here we go, take 2. I mean, it's already hard enough crawling in this space, but I'm using this camera. Whew. So, I'm gonna put this in my pocket. Ow! Oh, a nail stabbed into my back. Whew. I hate small spaces. I have nightmares of dying this way. Whew. That's my biggest fear. Dying in a small space. I dropped the screwdriver. Whew. Okay. Ow. Okay. Take it. Get that way up there. Maybe you screw it in, it gets tighter. There we go. Push it up there. Dang it. Damn it all. The good thing about this insulation up here is not fiberglass. Yeah. Here we go. Gonna get extra tight. Yeah. I think we got it. Whew. Yep. I'm Phil White, and this is my job.